Good morning, class 3. Hope you all are fine. I'm your English teacher and my name is Rafia Munawar. So, open your English LIT notebook. Today, we are going to start. What is meaning of the chapter, The Golden Touch? So, take out your English LIT notebook, draw margin line, write CW, mention date, and write topic which is The Golden Touch. Exercise number is 1. Write meanings and underline your topic and subtopic also. So let's start our words meaning. First word is perch. Dear students, perch means sitting on the edge. Like we can see in this picture, the bird is sitting on the edge of tree branch. So what is the meaning of perch? Perch means sitting on the edge. Now, second word is dart. Dart means a quick movement. Like in this picture we can see the boy is darting or the boy is making quick movement. So what is the meaning of dart? A quick movement. Now third word is dawn. And what is the meaning of dawn? Dawn means time before the sunrise. Dawn means time before the sunrise. Like we can see in this picture, combination of darkness and the light is called dawn. Now, fourth word is sorrow. Dear students, sorrow means feeling of sadness. Like in this picture, we can see the man is feeling sad. Now, fifth word is sunbeam. Sunbeam means ray of light. Ray of light is called sunbeam. Now, sixth word is horror. Horror means extreme fear, like the man is showing feelings of horror. Now, seventh word is railing. Railing means fence, like in this picture we can see railing of steps. Now, eighth word is tenderly. Tenderly means gently or kindly, like the woman is touching the baby tenderly. Students, now let's start exercise number 2, which is make sentences. First word is darting. We have read darting means a quick movement. Now we have to create a sentence of darting. We can create a sentence, he darted forward. Or we can create a sunbeam came darting in through the window. Next word is sunbeam. And what is the meaning of sunbeam, which I have told you? I have told you sunbeam means ray of light. So now we have to create a sentence of sunbeam. So we can create a sentence, bright sunbeams danced on her bed. Or we can create, the fairy was sitting on the sunbeam. Now, third word is unhappy. Means feeling not happy. So we can create a sentence, the king was unhappy. Or we can create, he was unhappy about something. Now, fourth word is down. Dear students, down means toward lower place. So we can make sentence, he was sitting down, or the children ran down the hill. Now, fifth word is golden robes. Robe means loose outer garment reached to the ankle and made of gold is called golden robe. Now we have to create a sentence of golden robe. We can create, he had a beautiful golden robe, or I was wearing a golden robe. This is your homework. You have to create sentences of these words by yourself. So I will explain these words for you. First word is dreadful. And what is the meaning of dreadful? Dreadful means horrible. Second word is sorrow. And what is the meaning of sorrow? Sorrow means sadness. Third word is horror. And what is the meaning of horror? Horror means very strong feelings of fear. Fourth word is beautiful. And what is the meaning of beautiful? Beautiful means having an attract quality, means quality of attraction is called beautiful. Now, number fifth word is try. And what is the meaning of try? Try means make an effort to do something is called try. Now, I have explained this word for you. Now, you have to create sentences by yourselves.